Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be testing out a few new items that I got from Floryfab. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Just take a moment to thank Floryfab for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I have some kitchenware pieces that I selected that I'm going to test out for you guys, tell you more about the company. Floryfab is a kitchenware website that offers a ton of stuff from baconware and a ton of different kitchen accessories. They have a wide range of products at very affordable prices. I have seen products for as low as $1 on their website. And the quality is amazing. The first piece I selected was this reusable silicone air fryer mat, and I chose this piece because I just got tired of cleaning the air fryer as much as I use it. Now this one fits most air fryer, or I'll say all. As you can see, this air fryer is huge and it was able to fit it. The stuff came out extremely crispy and golden brown. The mat is hot, so I recommend that you use gloves or something to remove it, or just wait until it cools. And it literally took me a couple seconds to clean the mat. Just rinse it and dry it, and that was it. And for the second piece, I got this sandwich cutter. Now this is a shape of Dinosaur. They have it in other shapes and design. It is super easy to use. As you can see, this is really huge. Like, it's big. It's a nice size. It's actually bigger than the bread slices that I do have now, and it was super easy to use, and the dinosaurs came out really cute. My daughter is upset I chose Dinosaur because she loves Dinosaur. She is obsessed, and it just makes eating and fun a little more fun. So it encourages her to eat her sandwiches more. I love it. It's of really great quality, and it was super easy to clean after each use. Now these animal fruit pick sticks were just too cute to pass up. I mean, packing my daughter's lunch has been so much more fun. Like, she enjoys seeing the different animal shapes and eyes and stuff when she's eating her lunch, and it's just another fun way to get your kids to actually eat their food. It's also really usable. Like, I've stuck it in. It's not, even though it says fruit picks, you can also use them in food. As you can see, I put it in a sandwich and among other stuff, and it makes it easy. Instead of them using their fingers to pick the stuff up, they can use the picks. Now this handheld electric milk frother is perfect for mixing your smoothies, your juices, your margaritas, I don't know, you name it, your drinks, or if you just want a little froth over your coffee, a cappuccino, you name it. It requires 2 batteries that it does not come with. It does not include the batteries, they come separately, but it's super easy to use. Really love it. Like, it's just amazing. Now for the final piece I choose is this DIY silicone pancake mold. I choose it in the shape of the heart shape. It's 4 molds. Now I didn't have any pancake mixture this day, so I used eggs, and it worked perfectly. I think I flipped it on the wrong side. I wasn't sure which side to use it on, but I was just testing it out. So I think I might have put it on the wrong side, but the shapes came out perfect. Nonetheless, I got 2 amazing hearts, and the other 2 was so. But again, I love them, and it's just another fun way to get your kids to eat more. Like, when they see the cute shapes and design, it will encourage them to eat more. The cleanup process was super easy, and you can use it with cakes, pancakes, waffles, you name it. Well, not waffle, because but you know what I meant. Pancakes, sandwiches, you name it. And once again, thank you to Floryfab for sponsoring today's video. So guys, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a like and a comment, and let me know which product was your favorite. Also, all the products that are included in today's video along with the website will be linked in the description box down below. So go ahead and check them out. And I also have a discount code. You can also enjoy extra savings on already low prices. So once again, guys, thank you so much. Until then, until next time, have a blessed week, blessed day, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love you all.